Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with the Typical Budget. I just wanted to drop in, check on everyone, see how everyone was doing. Also, go ahead and go over my results for my budget by paycheck from the 22nd of May to the 5th of May. What is a budget by paycheck, you ask? So a budget by paycheck is where you budget from the day that you get a paycheck. So the bills that you get on the day of the paycheck that you're getting until the day of your next payday, pretty much. So when it comes to my budget is 1,000, or my income budget is $1,715.48. And if you haven't already hit that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell, go ahead and do that now. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. So when it comes to half of the rent, the budgeted amount was $362. And that's the actual amount. It looks like when I rewrote this page over, I did not write that in, but that's okay. For State Farm, the budgeted amount was $168.22, and it's the same. Now for the cash envelopes. For the cash envelopes, I did budget for $345, and I did use $207.45. Now these worksheets that I'm using is from EMichelle. I will link her information below. So for the sinking funds, I did budget for $250, and I actually used $250 as well. Normally those amounts are always the same. For out of town, I budgeted for $70, and I actually spent $51. For salon, I budgeted for $75, but I ended up not going, so that amount is $0. For LCU, I budgeted for $18.16, and that amount was the same, so $18.16. For my sister's birthday, I budgeted for $40, and I ended up spending $33.99. For not budgeted, it's $32. I went ahead and paid a Discover bill, which only $9 of that bill was due. So I went ahead and paid $32 because I did just buy something with that card. For vision, I haven't received a bill for the vision just yet, so it's no bill, and this is my last time putting it in my budget. For car maintenance or car, I did need back brakes and back rotors, so I did take $122.29 to go ahead and buy the parts, because Midas, yeah, they wanted way too much. They wanted about $325 plus tax and labor, so I just had someone else to do it, and that was the best route for me. For savings, I do have savings that are automatically deposit, which is $100. So yeah, I have $100 automatically deposited into savings, and as you can see, the difference is pretty much gigantic. So the total budget was $1,550.67, and I only spent $1,345.11, and that gives me $330.37 to move to savings. I actually was able to save more than this amount. This is just the amount from my income. I did sell my Coach bag, and I made a little money off of that. So for the notes, I did cancel Prime. I got the money order for the rent and paid it. And I just tried to see what else I can cut from my bills. Now, other than sinking funds or cash envelopes, there isn't really any other bill to cut. If you don't remember my previous mock video, go ahead, go back, check that video out. The lady that I helped, she did write me on Facebook a couple days ago before I made this video, and she do have a happy planner, budget planner, which is one of the ones that I had at first, which is the new version pretty much. And she said that the budget is going great, so that's good. She also mentioned me doing mock Mondays, where I take other budgets or other people budgets and just write them out in a way that they can understand, especially if they're new to budgeting. Also, she suggested that I become a possible budget coach, which I have been looking into for months now. I'm not really sure where to get started. I may need to reach out to Shea Budgets, EMichelle, or even Budget Treasures to just see how can I start doing this here, especially for a great side hustle. This definitely can make some extra money. Also, if you're wondering what this is a peach pop by the Peach Palmetto, and this is the Queen Bee pop, and I will link her information below. But yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to the budget. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up. And thanks for watching.